Yep. Oh, yeah. Look at this. I mean, it's just.
Can't beat it. Can't beat it.
Wow. Definitely no gosh darn. Stop recording. All right, YouTube, we are on our way where, Amelia?
Steele's Gap, aka the Dragon.
We are, and right now we are taking some nice back roads into it. We're not just going to take 129. We are going to go up. I think it's called Little Lightfoot Hill or something like that. And it's going to take us straight up and over the mountain, up under the Blue Ridge Parkway. And it's about to get crooked.
Yes. At some point, this road it turns into either Happy Road or Smiley Road.
Yep. I think it's Little Lightfoot or something like that. But we'll see once we get closer up there. But you can see that the road is very nice. A lot of nice little sweepers, but the sweepers can get you into trouble. It's called Happy Valley Road. That's it.
Yep. And you know why I remember that, Doc?
Huh?
Because I remember you had said, this road certainly does make me happy.
It does. As y'all can see all them nice big old mountains there. That's the Blue Ridge Parkway. And we are getting ready to go up and literally cross it. Look how that just comes back on itself. This road can really get you in trouble if you're not doing it right. I'm sure Onyx is loving it.
Oh man, Onyx is so happy right now. And for all you YouTubers, you know that Marcus and I have talked about changing our suspension on Onyx. This is her maiden voyage with the new suspension. So I'm very excited to see how she'll do.
Yep. Oh, yeah. Look at this. I mean, it's just...
Can't beat it. Can't beat it.
Cannot. I mean, this road just goes straight. I mean, we're going straight up.
And boy, I tell you, that air feels so good coming off the interstate where the air was thick, sun was out. Now, I'm not complaining about the sun. Y'all know I love me my sun. But this air
true.
here does feel good.
Yes, it does. Look at this. Straight up. I mean, I think that there's so many other roads gotta stick right there. There's so many other roads around here that people don't even know exist because they just look at the Dragon.
Which is a shame, because some of the better roads are the roads that lead up to it.
Exactly. Exactly. So y'all gonna hear us communicating and stuff. We got it going to the right, hairpin. There's a biker.
I think that's one of the rare times I've seen one on this road.
They come.
They do.
They do, but not as often. Because I mean, this road here, I got a biker. Stay left.
Bicyclist. Wrong type of bike for me, sir.
I mean, look at this. I mean, straight up and back. And see, you gotta always.
Hey guys, Dr. Young Gunn here. And if you like this video so far, take 1 second to hit that like button down there and hit that subscribe button. That allows me to continue to produce awesome videos like this. Thank you so much for your support. God bless you all and continue to enjoy the video.
Position yourself the right way as well when you are riding these type of roads, especially on these big bikes.
Oh yeah. Well, and too, you got to be in the right gear.
That's it. Are you still in eco mode?
No, Lord no. But when
Hairpin and up.
I had gotten around that bicyclist, I was in the wrong gear to come up the hill.
The trees are so thick, but that view that's out there, y'all, is just.
Oh, it's gorgeous. We always say, do the dragon in the summertime with everybody, but then if you can, come in the wintertime. Now the restaurant's not open and the shop's not open, but the trees don't have leaves, so you can see for miles. Oh, it's amazing.
God, I like the way that engine sounds. And now we're getting ready to go underneath. We're getting ready to go underneath the Blue Ridge Parkway. Let's break it down some, because this is a one-laner, even though they don't really say. Oh, it's not a one-laner. And now we've went up. Now we're coming down. And I mean, this is where you really want to be in control of your brakes, your engine, so that you're not burning up the brakes. And see the Goldwing, I mean, it's just holding. The DCT is just holding. Go that way, it would take you up onto the parkway.
Oh, wow.
It's so smart, it can tell that I'm going downhill. It's like it learns as I'm, as I'm riding. Got one coming. I do know that we got a hairpin that's going to be coming up here in a moment.
Yep. Actually, right
here it comes. Here we are. Yep. Look at where I want to go.
Whee!
And then as I come out of it, I will throttle it, and look at this.
Ordinarily, I'd say yellow is my favorite color, but not today, because Onyx don't like those lines.
I mean, this bike, it's just holding it. I love it. And I'm just letting it do its thing. Going towards the right, then a switch to the left. And I'm not using a lot of brake. The engine is doing a lot of the work. Staying also on my side of the road, and then there's stuff like that you gotta watch out for. Those runoffs from the driveways in the middle, they will get you every time. Man, people sleep on that road, you know. They think
Which is
that,
a
oh,
shame.
well, oh, yes, big shame. Now, what I like to do is I like to stay in automatic, but I can paddle shift also while I'm in. There's another Goldwing.
All right.
He said there's a cop.
Ah,
Good. So that, you know what that tells me is that if there's a cop on this road, there's been some accidents.
yep, somebody's gotten hurt.
Yep. We're gonna see where he's at, but I mean, look how thick this is, and those blind heels. Oh man.
Just makes my mouth water.
Yep. I'm sure that new suspension is loving this.
Oh man.
How does it feel?
Oh, it feels great. It really does.
So outside of great, anything else?
It's really now I'll say it's really smooth. I've been more aggressive with changing my gears, but even with that, while I've been doing the hard turns, or while the road kind of lifts, sometimes I've felt in the past where Onyx would try and help. Not a single bit of help. She doesn't want to give it. I don't want her to give it. She is really
Help with what?
With the ABS brakes.
Yeah, so you got to explain that, because some people don't know about what that is. Who does on the channel may not does not ride a Can-Am.
That's right. My bad, y'all. So Can-Ams have smart brakes, where if it feels like the lean angle is too steep, it will try and brake for you. Now, normally that's a great safety feature, but I'll let Doc tell the story of how sometimes that can kind of be dangerous. And I don't like how aggressive the smart braking can be, and so we put the new suspension on to allow for the tighter suspension, so the lean angle doesn't get as steep, so I can still be aggressive in the curves without worrying about the bike braking for me, because that can really, put me in some dangerous situations. So, but now with this new suspension and where we tightened it up, she doesn't want to put the smart brakes on for me. Now, and granted, there are times where, the bike won't slam on the brakes. It'll do kind of a gentle touch on the brake, but today she hasn't tried it once.
Nice. And I mean, this road here, it does, like here, I normally, I downshift always before I get to the curve. That way the bike is ready. When I go inside, and I can throttle out better, and I feel like I have more control. And you're doing the same back there?
Absolutely. I mean, I was taught by the best.
That's true. That's very true. And look all the way through the corner. And, I always have, I have my GPS here, and I have my GPS on the dash going, so I can see how steep the curve is. Now, I'm not staring at it. It's just a glance. I mean, it's in a good position where you just glance down very quickly to know how deep the curve is.
Yep, and I've been doing that with my cell phone. I've got my map going so I can see the curve. But I'll tell you, I've noticed now when I'm driving in my car even, I'll look at my map, because I've always got my map going, and just gauge the curve based off the map, so I know where my tires need to be in the car.
Absolutely. Yep. Absolutely. Up there on your right, that is actually the Blue Ridge Parkway. This road goes parallel after you come up and over it, runs parallel and runs you straight into 129, the Dragon. So let us know in those comments if you all, anybody who's been down here, has ridden this road. Pop quiz, what was the name of the road? We talked about it at the beginning. What was the name of the road that we are on?
Now,
Drop
dog,
it in the comments.
you
drop
should
it
be
in the
taking them to
comments.
school.
Schooling is good for you. Schooling is good for the brain. Make you think. All righty, everybody. Thanks for riding. Break it down. Thanks for riding with us. And we look forward to the next time when we actually hit the dragon. Peace.
See ya.
Stop recorded.